One question I'm often asked from my newly diagnosed diabetics and my longtime diabetics is, what can I eat? You know, the good news is there's a lot of food that you can eat, safely eat as a diabetic, a lot more than you think. So I want to start with breakfast. I want to break down, starting just with two foods that are commonly eaten at breakfast time, and compare and contrast so that you can know which one is better for diabetes health. And hopefully you can walk away with one more food item that you could add to your list of many foods that are safe, and not only safe, but beneficial for diabetes.
So starting with very popular Raisin Bran. Raisin Bran we know is advertised as a health cereal or health food, but is it best for diabetics? The reason why it is not lies in the same reason why many health foods or foods that are advertised as healthy are not, and that's because it is highly processed. So 47 total grams of carbs isn't really the problem. It's the amount of sugar that is in this item. 9 grams of added sugar on top of the naturally occurring sugar in the food itself. And the naturally occurring sugar itself is harmful for diabetes because it is highly processed sugar. The sugar that will quickly pass through the digestive system, absorbed into the blood, and spike your blood glucose levels. What we must understand is that processed sugar, like a guided missile, passes very quickly through our digestive system. It's absorbed from there into our blood and then leads to a spike in our blood glucose levels. It is important when shopping for food that we pay attention to the nutritional facts label and watch out for added sugars. It doesn't matter if the food is labeled as whole food or whole grain. We must also look at the ingredient section. If the ingredient section has sugar as a second, third, or even fourth ingredient, then this food or this food item will be harmful to your diabetes health. A much better breakfast option is oatmeal. Oatmeal is also relatively high in carbs, but these carbs are much less processed, and so they will pass slowly through your digestive system. It will not lead to blood sugar spikes in the way that Raisin Bran would. Also notice there are 0 added sugars.
Now I know what you're saying, but when I eat oatmeal, my sugar spikes, right? That may be the case for some of you. Understanding that insulin resistance is a spectrum, right? Some people are in a different level of insulin resistance than others and have trouble with eating things like oatmeal. For you, I would challenge you to try steel cut oats.
If you're experiencing spikes in your blood sugar with rolled oats or quick oats, then I would recommend steel cut oats. Steel cut oats are much more whole grain and less processed than rolled oats or instant oats.
So there you have it, one more food that you can confidently add to your list of diabetes safe, not only diabetes safe, but diabetes beneficial foods. So in the future, I want to make more videos surrounding this idea of what can I eat as a diabetic. I just need to hear from you. What foods do you want to know about? What foods do you want to compare to know what is best for diabetes, especially if you're thinking about diabetes reversal? If you have any other topics you want to cover, also leave that in the comment section. I will also like you to take advantage of an opportunity to work with me one-on-one if that's your desire. I have a calendar link in the description section of this video, and you can quickly look at my calendar and book a session with me. I don't charge for these sessions, but if you want to just have time to talk about your diabetes health and see if working one-on-one with a diabetes health coach is what's right for you, then go ahead and book a call. What do you have to lose, right? Other than experiencing a 180 on your diabetes. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.